welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did these super cute pick and drop braids. Have you heard of these? These have been all over my social media pages and I had to try them out. So I achieved this look using only braiding hair, no human hair. I didn't have to feed in any hair for this look. It was super simple and easy. So keep on watching so that you can see exactly how I achieved this look. First of all, I am definitely obsessing over this ginger copper color. Super cute, absolutely perfect for the summer. So this hair is from EZBraid. It is in the color copper, 26 inches. This is what the packaging looks like. This hair is super cute. So they sent me 4 packs. I used a pack. No, I used 3.5 packs. So this is the 4th one that I haven't used yet. So I used 3.5 packs for this look. As you can see, my hair is braided. And then again, instead of feeding in hair, I just used the 1 piece of braided hair that I crocheted in, and I just took pieces out as I was braiding. Sounds kind of complicated. It's easier for me to show you than to explain it, so let's get right into this tutorial. braids up for, this is about to be 2 weeks. 2 weeks now. And they still look good. I have refreshed the curls once. So the first time that I did it, I braided the hair and then put the perm rods on the end, dipped them, let them dry. The second time that I refreshed the curls, I just added a flexi rod and then dipped them. So this is about maybe 5-6 days, and the curls still look really good. Not sure if I want to refresh them again or not. Let's give a quick 360 to get into all of this look. I am absolutely obsessed with this look, this technique. Definitely going to try this again. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.